Hello guys, welcome to the video. We are at
Kahilo Bay.
Kahilo Bay, and on the way there's some nice little freshwater cave pools. This one's really cool.
Reminds me of the Noosa ferry pools.
Yeah, the Noosa ferry pools in Australia, but we're going to jump in here. And then the bay, if you can see, the water's amazing, and the actual popular bit is just down there. So we're going to make a walk to there, but on the way...
Just down there as if it's close.
Just down there as if it's close. Georgie's a bit annoyed that she has to walk. But we're going to hop in this water, cool off for a minute, and then get back on the trail. So we've just been chatting to a local, and this, as I said before, is fresh water. Apparently freezing, so we're going to jump in there. But just further on is a beach full of turtles, so we're going to go there after we check out the end of the bay here. There's a nice little, like, looks like a peninsula, but the water's amazing. So we're going to walk there after we take a dip in this. Oh, are you okay, George? Georgie's just banged her head on there, I think.
We're going to go in.
Oh, that is freezing. Oh. That is freezing, but so refreshing. Georgie, it's your turn.
Is it deep?
No.
Like, could you touch?
Yeah, easily. Georgie is venturing in now.
Pretty cold.
It is pretty cold. I'd just plop in, George.
Oh.
Is it cold?
Ooh. It's not.
It's not that bad, but if you submerge, go on. Woo. Nice. It's cold when you're fully in, isn't it?
Yeah, it is pretty cold.
Wow, it looks magical though. Look at the watercolour. Right, so Georgie's just figured out that you can swim from this one all the way under here and then arrive out at this one. So, me, the daredevil of the two.
I might try it.
Oh, you might try it?
Maybe.
Oh, okay, well I'm the guinea pig of the two then. I'm gonna give it a go right now. Right, I'm going for it. Oh, this is cool. Oh, George, that's sick. That's amazing. Look how big it is down here. Georgina is in the water. It is freezing. Go take a dip.
What's the worst part? Oh.
We're all creamed up now, with the help of each other for each other's backs. We're gonna head all the way over there. So yeah, for you guys it'll be 3 seconds, but for us it's a grueling half an hour walk in the blistering heat. Could be longer, Georgie says. We've arrived and there is a turtle right there. He might pop his head up again. We'll wait for him right there. See his head just pop up? So we're gonna have a jump in this, chill here for a bit, and then continue walking around the coast. We're in the water and the turtle is ahead of me. I can't, you're not allowed to get too close, but I'll be able to get a little video a bit far away.
So we're just in the water now. It's really nice and warm and quite still. We just saw a turtle swimming around. Yeah, it's really nice. Although the beach isn't that. Max likes it, but there's nowhere to like lie down or anything.
Yeah,
pebbly. Just
a bit pebbly. But we were saying that the temperature of this water is probably some of the warmest we've been in. The only one that beats it is Siquijor in the Philippines. So we're going to continue swimming for a bit now. I'm just getting out of the water now to go to this beach, and look at that little guy, baby little turtle. Hey, there you go, took a little breath. We're just out of the water then. We had a little swim with that baby turtle.
That was so cute.
Georgie loved him.
I was swimming with him for a while, wasn't I?
Yeah, she was swimming with him for a while, but we've seen this pond. So we're gonna go check out the pond and see what it is. Because I don't know if you can swim or what, but guess we'll find out soon. So, the pond apparently has dozens of turtles. 1, 2, 1 basking over there. So we're gonna chill here for a bit and check out some more turtles. Georgie, are you ready to have fun?
Very ready.
Oh, Georgie loves the turtles. So we're gonna get in now. Right, so the one basking is just here. And I think Georgie's a baby one too. He's a baby one, so I won't get too close. I don't want to disturb him. I think you have to stay about 10 feet, so about here. That's as close as I can get, but see him just, where is he on there? There, chilling. Wow, that's amazing. He's just chilling in the sun, having a little sleep. Wow. Right, I won't speak anymore because I don't want to disturb his little sleep. So me and George have just been sitting down for about 10 minutes or so watching the turtle, and he's just getting in the water now, so I'll get that on video. Oh, go on little guy, you can do it. He's gonna go. Hey, there you go. Wow, that's incredible. He does have a marking on, so maybe, yeah, yeah, chalk. Wow, just chilling, and he's just swam away now. That's amazing. We've decided to leave and get all our stuff and bring it over there, but there's a little turtle just here. He's struggling in the current though. There you go, he's made it, he's made it. George, see it here, there's 2 here. There's another one swimming by. There you go. Yeah, so we're gonna come back, bring the drone, sit the drone up, get some videos of the turtles again. Me and George have just brought the stuff laid out. Georgie's gonna go take some photos on the mobile, are you?
Yeah,
with the waterproof case.
Primark.
Primark, she says. I'm going to stick the drone up, try and get some cool videos of the turtles from up above, and then fly over to the bay. Just got some sick shots of Georgie and the turtles swimming. I'm gonna hop in and take this camera in now, and hopefully some swim past. We can't like swim directly towards them, but if they're swimming around us, then that's okay. There's a baby one coming towards me now. It's a bit murky when you're actually in there, so not actually able to see, or some fish over there, not actually able to see them that well, but from above they look pretty cool. Just seen that baby turtle over there. I think we're going to head back in. We've already set the drone up around the like the peninsula a bit, and then I'll ask Georgie what we're doing next.
Okay, we are leaving the turtle place now, and we are heading to Hapuna Beach. Probably won't have that much time there before the sun goes down, but yeah.
Well, it's a nice beach, isn't it?
Yeah, white sand.
White sand. On the walk back to the car, we found a goat skull. Interesting. We've just been walking on this shoreline, And then we walked past a turtle, didn't even realise it was a turtle. And he's a baby one, just basking in the sun. Wow, we're gonna let the turtle rest and finish his sleep. We're gonna keep going to the car. We have come across another turtle. They must just come out or something. Not sure, but now we are actually heading to the car. Scrap that. We have come for a little pit stop.
Okay, so change of plans. We are no longer going to Hapuna because we're knackered. We're going to do that for sunrise tomorrow instead. Or yeah, probably sunrise or maybe just early morning. Probably early morning. But watch that video tomorrow. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.
Cheers guys, as Georgie said, Hapuna, watch it tomorrow, next video on from this. Thanks for watching, like and comment, drop a subscribe, it really helps us out. See you in the next one.
Bye.
Bye.